Wacht hè, ja. Oh shit. Apparently it needs a little rebalance. Bro didn't know what was happening. 1, 2, 3, ja. Oh ja, dat was dik. Yannick is just arriving. Hoppa. Ah, maestro! Alles goed, man? That's dope as fuck. The steering wheel is on the right and he can take the steering wheel off. What are you thinking?
It's dark.
The window is closed, yeah.
Can't see shit.
Check it from here. And what do you say?
That's cool.
So we're gonna start with some B-roll shots and the gas station sequence. So we're gonna first set up our camera gear with the gimbal. Of course, the case that we need is the furthest one. Didn't use my common sense earlier when packing. So we have the Sony a7 IV, Sony 2470 G Master Mark II lens, and we are using the new Freewell Brandon Lee filter. Comes here in this beautiful case. It's a CPL plus variable ND 1 to 10 stops. It also comes with a glow mist quarter. We're gonna use it today, so this is gonna be perfect. Whoa, what the fuck gebeurt er hier, man? So now he's gonna pull up to the gas station. We're in pen follow only. We're gonna slowly push in. Then we're gonna do another shot or another angle where he's gonna pull up from here. Ah ja, jij staat aan die kant. I say you have to walk out, my eyes is on the other side. Yeah.
You and I have crawled over, we've never hit one like this. Everything right where it belongs, just too neat.
Dan gaan we ook wel een beetje tanken. Ofwel moet ook gewoon iemand anders en we zijn telkens.
Iemand anders best.
Ja.
Recording somebody else
Iedereen is
pumping gas.
I want to take a shot from the counter from the gasoline, but he doesn't need gas. So we're just gonna steal a shot from the guy who's coming in here. So we're gonna just wait for a moment. Nee, mag ik even een shot pakken van die tellertjes? Oh, it's good. That's good. Bro didn't know what was happening. We go for a Red Bull of so. It's like he's filling up while he's going for a drink.
Oh, oké.
Doe maar alsof hij tankt, ja. En dan naar de winkel. So now we're gonna make a shot where he takes the iconic Red Bull. So he's gonna take it out of the fridge. Ja, welke wilde?
A yellow one.
Ah, ja. Ja.
Just too neat. That doesn't bother you? We're here to make a factual analysis. Anything more, you can't read yourself.
Nou, doe hem maar open daar ergens. Ja. Wacht hè, ja. Oh shit. Ja. They're just gonna take some extra B-roll shots.
Colonel, you can't be there.
Stap maar in gewoon, zet je blikje maar. Ja. Blikje erin zetten. Ja. So We have the B-roll shots, we have the gas station sequence. Now we're gonna set up the Movmax car rig so we can get some roller shots. I'm gonna start with the bottom ones. Make sure you're on a flat area where you push the buttons until the red line is gone. Second pair of suction cups. We're gonna put in the rail. Then we want to make sure that the rail is straight down, something like this. And usually I just give it a little bit of wiggle room, because once we put the gimbal and all the weight, it just comes a little bit to the front. So something like this looks good. You can always change it later. We tighten everything. Then we're gonna put the spider head, just like so. Make sure this one is tight. Then we have the V-mount battery. Then we're gonna connect the battery here, just like this, and then this will power our gimbal. For the car rig, I've actually purchased the DJI RS4 Pro, because this one has a car rig feature which is made for car rigs, just like this. So then we turn it on, make sure it's tight here, although we have another safety mechanism. This is a transmitter for our Movmax in-control controller, which I will show you just in a second. Here we have another safety bracket that we're gonna mount from this side. It's a safety bracket that mounts our gimbal to the spider head. You just slide it on and put the screw. This comes with the Movmax razor arm. For DJI RS4, for DJI RS3, and I think some other ones. So this is the set that comes with it. Also, when you're doing this, make sure you just extra tighten this one, so you cannot open it by hand. I've balanced it already in my office at 50mm focal length. Apparently it needs a little rebalance, so we're gonna do that right now. That looks good also. So it's nicely balanced. And then here, as you can see, when we tap the motor button right here, come have a look a little bit closer. So you have the motor button, and then here you have car mount, start calibration. And then the motors are stiffer because of wind and car movement, which is a little bit harder than you would just do handheld stuff. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna add another safety bracket. You can just mount it here. It's like this. The Movmax razor arm comes with this safety cable, which we simply pull here through the bracket, and then we just tighten here. Again, this is just another safety measurement. And like this, even if these would come loose, this is tight and would keep everything still in place. So these are the Synco wireless headphones. I'm gonna give one to Yannick. I'm gonna wear one, and then we can easily just communicate without having to call or whatever. Normaal als je zo doet, ga je dat muten. Okay, we have visual, guys. Ah man, mijn in-controller, waar heb ik die weer gelegd? Amai. Smack. Jij ziet daar van alles bengelen, zeker, Yannick? Ja, dat is de bedoeling. Ja. En nu agressief tot bij ons gereden en lane switchen. Ja, in ons gat. Oh ja, dat was dik. En dan gaan we een paar keer lane switchen.
Ja, het redt nog één.
En 1, 2, 3, ja. En nog eens, 1, 2, 3, ja.
Dat was echt niet on point.
En 1, 2, 3, ja. Ja, dat is clean.
Zeg dus dat hij
Zelfde snelheid.
Ah.
Wat, waarom?
Ja, met die windmolen. Dat was nice.
Ja.
Oh, nu misschien?
Wat?
Hij ietsje trager. Of jij ietsje sneller. Ja, te laat.
Keer even voor ietsje sneller, Yannick. Ik ga je vleugel filmen nu. Nog een beetje, nog een beetje, nog een beetje, nog een beetje. Ja, stop. Zo. Kun jij wat dichter tot hem geraken?
Dichter naar links.
Ja. Ja, oké. Voilà.
Wacht, eerst die enkel nog en die enkel nog. En
Close-up.
ondertussen-
Kom eens dicht tot bij ons en dan ineens full gas. Nog. Ja, go. Ja, oké. Een beetje dichter komen. Wij gaan een beetje rechts rijden. Oh ja. Volg dat maar een beetje. Lane switch in 3, 2, 1, ja. En iets dichter bij hem rijden als je kunt. En 1, 2, 3, ja. Nog één keer, 1, 2, 3, ja, dichter. Nog één keer, 1, 2, 3, ja. Ja, dat was hem. So we are back in the office, gotta put some stuff, some gear back in its place, recharge all the batteries for our next shoot. But if you are still watching, thank you for sticking with me and my buddies throughout the entire video. And I want to invite you to the Car Video Academy, which is a community that I've built where I share everything that I learn along the way of my own automotive filmmaking journey. We also invite the coolest automotive creators every single month. We've had Remnant Media, Shokum Visuals, TC Exposures, Ronin Projects, Meraki Visuals, just to name a few. I invite these people so we can all learn together from them as much as humanly possible. You can ask live questions. It's just a place to be if you want to grow your video skills, your network. You can ask me questions every single day there. I'm there every day online. So yeah, you can try it completely for free. See you inside. Peace.